Come on, we got some work to do today. Alrighty. Got the fence post, got the water running. Be careful walking on those. So today's objective, I've got quite a few leaves falling right now. Mainly because we just had a wicked hot heat wave about beginning of September time frame. But what it did, it has scorched these leaves, and so it also is causing a lot of leaves to fall. And walking through the water here, hold on, I've always had this little slope here for this tree, but over the house a lot of leaves fall down in there, and it's just a pain to clean up. So what I'm going to try to do is put a little fence to stop that from happening so much. I don't think I'll be able to catch every leaf, but I'll be able to do quite a few, I think, at least for the most part. So stay tuned for the final product. I'm trying not to overthink this. Literally using some fence posts, and then over here just some rabbit 16 gauge fence. I think it's like 2 feet or a little bit over. Should do the job catching the fallen avocados and or leaves, and hoping my big boy doesn't fall down there either. My helper. Just wanted to reiterate, the reason we're doing this is to catch the leaves and keep them underneath the avocado and not down the hill. Alright, finished product. We'll see how it goes. I think once we get a base built up on the bottom, it will really start solidifying this whole area. I think I'll be able to catch leaves and keep leaves. Good thing is I can throw leaves right back over here, which will be good too. But again, a couple, I think 7 of these fence posts. But as you can tell, this Zutano took a beating, man. A lot of dry leaves. We'll see. But right now I'm going to go yell at those dogs, and I'm continue watering. But all in all, worked out great.